Look at yourself. Look around. Do you wake up with fire in your gut, ready to conquer the day? Or do you drag yourself out of bed like a zombie, phone in hand, scrolling until your brain shuts off? Stop lying to yourself. This isn't normal. It's not your genes. It's not just the way life is. Men today are weaker than at any point in human history, not just physically. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually, men are falling apart. It's the destruction of masculinity, a collapse fueled by choices, habits, and a modern world designed to drain testosterone and kill drive. Our ancestors lived with levels of testosterone double, sometimes triple, what science now calls normal. They fought, they built, they led. And what about most men today? Can't even hold eye contact, can't lift their own body weight, can't go a single day without caffeine, sugar, or endless digital noise. Here's the brutal truth. Low testosterone equals low energy, low presence, low purpose, low life. That's not manhood. That's survival mode. If you want to stop being a weak, distracted shadow of yourself, it's time to confront the traps killing your masculinity. And take action. Here's why men are weak. 1, your water is poisoned. Every sip of tap water or plastic bottled water is laced with chemicals that slowly kill your manhood. BPA, phthalates, and microplastics mimic estrogen. They sneak into your body and choke your testosterone, leaving you weaker, fatter, and less driven. This isn't a conspiracy. It's chemical castration on tap. You're drinking the very thing that keeps you from feeling like a man. Solution: stop sipping poison. Filter every drop. Use glass or stainless steel only. Respect your testosterone like it's your lifeline, because it is. 2, your food is feminizing you. Soy-loaded protein bars, seed oils in fast food, processed garbage, all of it's designed for convenience, not your masculinity. These foods flood your system with estrogens and inflammation, wrecking your hormones meal by meal. Ever wonder why men are softer now than ever? Look at their plates. Estrogen-filled junk on repeat. Solution: cut the fake food. Eat like a man. Steak, eggs, whole foods. Real fuel builds real testosterone. Garbage food builds garbage men. 3, porn is draining your drive. Porn doesn't just waste your time, it rewires your brain. The endless stream of dopamine tricks your mind into thinking you're conquering women, when in reality, you're sitting alone, weak, defeated, and drained. This constant artificial stimulation lowers testosterone, kills motivation, and leaves you powerless with real women. Porn isn't entertainment, it's emasculation. Porn turns you into a worthless nobody. Solution: stop watching porn. Cut the porn. Reboot your brain. Reclaim your drive. 4, sleep deprivation equals testosterone murder. Think staying up late makes you tough? Wrong. Every hour of lost sleep slashes your testosterone. Sleep-deprived men produce half the testosterone of well-rested men. Half. That's not just tired, that's castrated. Dragging yourself through life on fumes is killing your hormones, your energy, and your masculinity. Solution: guard your sleep like a fortress. 7 to 9 hours, dark room, no screens. Sleep isn't weakness, it's a weapon. 5, stress is castrating you. Your body only has 2 modes: fight or thrive. Chronic stress keeps you locked in fight mode, pumping cortisol nonstop. And guess what cortisol does? It smothers testosterone. Every time you let stress control you, you hand over your masculinity. You let life neuter you. Solution: master your stress. Breathe, lift, meditate, whatever it takes. Calm men are dangerous men. Controlled men are high testosterone men. 6, your gut is a war zone. The food you eat and the chemicals you swallow destroy your gut bacteria. And your gut isn't just about digestion. It's tied directly to your hormones. A wrecked gut means wrecked testosterone. Bloating, fatigue, weak immunity, these are signs your gut is broken and your testosterone is paying the price. Solution: ditch the processed trash, eat fermented foods, take probiotics, heal your gut, fuel your testosterone. 7, your body fat is feminizing you. Excess fat doesn't just sit there, it pumps estrogen into your system. The more fat you carry, the more feminine you become. That's biology. Look around. Soft, overweight, effeminate men everywhere. That's not age. It's estrogen production in real time. Solution: burn the fat, lift weights, sprint, build muscle. Muscle is testosterone's armor. Fat is its enemy. 8. Alcohol is silent castration. That manly beer belly? It's estrogen in disguise. Alcohol destroys your liver, the very organ that filters estrogen out of your body. The more you drink, the more estrogen builds up. Alcohol is liquid weakness. It kills your drive, destroys your testosterone, and leaves you a shell of a man. Solution: cut it or control it. 1 or 2 drinks max. But if you're serious about testosterone, drop the bottle. Stop boozing. 9. Plastics are everywhere, and they're killing you. Plastic isn't just in your water. It's in your food containers, your receipts, even the air. Phthalates and microplastics invade your body daily, and they act like estrogen grenades. You touch it, you eat it, you breathe it, and you wonder why your testosterone is dropping like a rock. Solution: cut plastics wherever you can. Glass, steel, wood. Limit the poison. Protect your testosterone. 10. You're not lifting heavy enough. Your body was built to lift, push, and pull. But most men today avoid heavy work, sitting all day, doing light exercise at best. And what happens? Your body gets the signal. We don't need testosterone. Testosterone is a use it or lose it hormone. If you don't stress your body with heavy weight, your body stops producing the very thing that makes you a man. Solution: lift heavy. Squats, deadlifts, presses. Train like your masculinity depends on it, because it does. I'll do a recap, but here's a message you need to hear. If you're tired of feeling weak, drained, and invisible, stop wasting time. This is a 100% natural home remedy you can make at home. This formula is a serious power and passion booster designed to wake your body up, flood your system with energy, and put the fire back in your veins. If you want real energy, real drive, and real performance, click the link in the description or the pinned comment, or scan the QR code now on the screen and get it. Weak men hesitate, strong men take action. Your water is poisoned. Tap water and plastic bottles are loaded with fake estrogens that choke your testosterone. If you're still drinking that garbage, you're literally sipping weakness. Your food is feminizing you. Processed junk, soy-heavy diets, and seed oils are flooding your system with toxins that wreck your hormones and bloat your gut. You either eat like a man or die like cattle. You don't sleep, you scroll. Late nights on screens fry your brain and cripple your testosterone production. No sleep equals no recovery equals no drive. Stop acting like a child and go to bed. You sit all day. Weak posture, no movement, no muscle. Sitting kills your T levels and makes you look and feel pathetic. Stand up. Train. Lift something heavier than your phone. Porn has you by the throat. You've handed your dopamine, your drive, and your masculinity to a glowing screen. No woman respects a man who can't even control himself. Cut it. You're drowning in alcohol. Booze wrecks your liver, floods your body with estrogen, and kills your performance, in and out of the bedroom. If you need a drink to relax, you're already weak. You avoid the sun. Vitamin D is free testosterone fuel, yet you hide indoors like a prisoner. Step outside. Get sunlight. Stop being allergic to life. You medicate every feeling. Pills, distractions, comfort food. You numb yourself instead of facing reality. Men who run from discomfort are men who never grow. You're afraid of discomfort. Cold showers, hard workouts, fasting. You avoid them because they're uncomfortable. Newsflash. Life is uncomfortable. Weak men hide from it. Strong men thrive on it. You don't lead. You wait. You ask permission. You blend in. No edge, no presence, no respect. Stop being invisible. Stand up and take control, or stay irrelevant. Being a man doesn't mean being arrogant. It doesn't mean being a bad boy. A real man shows respect to women, to his elders, to his seniors, to his neighbors, to people from a different background, different religion, or different political outlook. Real men protect the vulnerable and stand up for the weak, the people who need help, regardless of who they are. Strength isn't about ego, it's about character. These are the traits that built a house and then went on to build civilizations. This is what real manhood looks like. This is the foundation. Without a mission, without a fire, your body shuts down. Testosterone doesn't rise for men who drift. It rises for men who chase, build, and conquer. Set a goal bigger than yourself. Fight for it every day. Purpose fuels power. Here's the bottom line. Every year, men's testosterone drops lower. Every year, men get weaker, softer, and easier to control. This isn't fate. It's a choice. You can keep sliding into invisibility, tired, overweight, unfocused, and forgotten. Or you can fight back. Start with your habits, your body, your purpose. No one is coming to save you. Not your job, not your government, not society, not your mom and dad. No one is going to rescue you. It's on you to rise. Men who take control of their testosterone take control of their lives. So the question is, are you going to fight or fade away? Here's the truth. No one is going to hand you manhood. If you're living with low testosterone, low energy, and low drive, you're living half a life. Survival mode is not enough. You want real power, real presence, real purpose. Stop whining, stop blaming, stop scrolling, take control, fix your body, fix your mind, reclaim your masculinity. Weak men make excuses, strong men take action. This masculinity booster isn't hype. It's fuel for your body, your strength, and your masculinity. If you're serious about stepping up, click the link below and get it. If not, stay soft. If you were offended by anything I said in this video, tough, man up, get over it. The time is now. Your fire is waiting. Watch these videos next to further boost your manliness and masculinity.